What a voice, what a voice, what a voice I hear. For it's like the voice of my wallet dear. For if I had wings like a bird swallow fly, for I would clasp in the arms of my belly boy. When my apron it hung low, my true love followed through frost and snow. But now my apron it is my shins, and he passes me by, and you'll never spear him. It was upon to the white goose braid that he called down strange galley to his knee, and he told her a tale which he once told me. Oh, I wish, oh, I wish in vain. Oh, I wish I was amid again, but amid again I will never be, till I it grows on orange tree. Oh, I wish that my babe was born and smiling on some nurse's knee. But for myself to be dead and gone, and the long green grass growing over me, for there's a blackbird sits on yon tree. Some says it is blind, and it can and so is my true love to